deposits. Of course.
Boring.
Will be treated with counteroid, which will afford complete protection from the cold.
Ships are ready, Baron, whenever you are.
Good.
Look, Dale, it's Hale Boggs. Oh, let me see. Made you look.
Right.
Shut up, Dale.
Well, that's the last we'll see of those assholes. Come on, let's get inside.
Get over here. Come on, damn it.
Oh, man!
Down there in the snow. The tall figure leading is Flash Gordon.
Oh, let me see.
They're making for that Baron Peak.
It's him. Maybe we should, I don't know, take cover?